Hey guys, I'm back with another video, and today I will be showing you how to do the latch drop. This is what the trick looks like. You'll need a latch on your Balisong, and it's an easy trick to learn. Let's get right into it. What you're going to want to do first is hold the latch in between your index finger and your thumb, just right around there. And you're going to hold it like this, and you're going to drop the safe handle, and then fling it up to catch it. Then you're going to close it and try it again. Drop the handle and fling it back up. You're going to feel a snap if you do it correctly. And when you do it, you have to feel like a drop. And then it's like a drop and catch. It's really cool. And keep practicing. And thanks for watching. Subscribe, like the video, comment, and yeah, thanks.